Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Dr. Sheth's Basic Brightening Extra Gentle Daily Peel. So if you want to know my thoughts on this, please keep on watching. Talking about the pricing of this product, it retails for 850 rupees for 50 ml of product. Talking about the packaging of this product, it comes in this amber color plastic bottle with a pump dispenser to it. The key ingredients used in this product are mentioned on the bottle, while the batch number, best before and the manufacturing date are mentioned on a sticker at the bottom of the bottle. Talking about the product description of this product, it says, formulated by a dermatologist especially for Indian skin, this lotion peel works to manage key issues like pigmentation and uneven skin. Armed with AHAs, this peel gently removes dead skin cells, while pomegranate extract brightens skin. Key benefits: evenly exfoliates even skin tone and reduces dark spots and brightens the dull skin. It is a non-toxic product that is paraben-free and sulfate-free. It is a vegan product that is also safe to use during pregnancy. Before I begin with my review of this product, I actually want to give general information about what all does it contain and how each ingredient works on the skin and how it is to be used. So starting with the ingredients that it has 5% glycolic acid for immediate exfoliation, 5% lactic acid for slow and continual exfoliation, pomegranate extract that helps in brightening the dull skin, calendula extracts, wheat and berry sugars for actually calming the skin after exfoliation. It can be used in 3 different ways. For pigmented spots, it is recommended to apply it on the spots which you have on your skin and leave it overnight. Wash it off the next morning and then do your usual skincare regime. For tanned, uneven skin and hyperpigmentation, apply this over your night cream and keep it overnight. Wash it off the next morning and then do your usual skincare regime. You can use this as a face mask as well. All you need to do is just cleanse your face, apply a thin layer of it all over your face. Make sure that the layer that you're applying is an even layer. Leave it on your face for 5 to 10 minutes to the max and then wash it off, and then top your face off with a night cream. It is highly recommended that you use it in your nighttime skincare routine or in the night time and not during the day, because the combination of actives that it has, it can actually, when it comes in contact with sunlight, it can damage your skin. Also, after using it in the night, do not forget to use a sunscreen the next morning, even if you are indoors. Now, after all of this general info, it is time for my review of this product. And to start it off, I absolutely love this product. It is a great gentle peel to actually get rid of hyperpigmentation from your skin and also lighten the acne blemishes of the skin. I have used this to lighten my acne blemishes on the skin, and trust me, it has done wonders on my skin. I also use it sometimes as a mask, like 1 to twice a week as a face mask as well. But let me warn you that if you use this as a face mask, your skin is going to peel, and literally when I say it is going to peel like this. But you need not worry about this, because peeling of the skin basically means that it is helping you to get rid of all the dead skin cells from the upper layer of the skin. The skin generally peels even when we're using those weekly exfoliations like the ordinary AHA BHA or the minimalist AHA BHA PHA or the Dermaco AHA BHA peeling solutions. When we use those, even then the skin tend to peel, and it's the same thing, except those are to be used weekly and this one can be used on a daily basis. That phase of peeling of skin will get over in a few weeks, and after that is over, trust me, you are going to love your skin because it's going to feel so soft like you've never felt before. But I would rather suggest that you gradually build up the use of this on your skin so that your skin can get used to this product. Now, if I come onto the fragrance of this product, it can be a little irritating to the nose, but to be very honest, the kind of results it gave on my skin, it's worth it. Adding to the fragrance part of it, it also has added perfume of chamomile in this. So if you have the kind of skin that is allergic to added fragrances, you might want to do a patch test. And even if you're not allergic to added fragrances, just do a 24 to 48 hour patch test so that you get to know how this product is going to basically react on your skin. Also, if you have active virgin skin, like you have never used any active on your skin ever before and you're thinking of trying this out, firstly do a patch test, and secondly be very careful of building it up on your skin, because it has the concentration of actives that it has for an active virgin skin that can be a little dangerous. So you might want to use it very carefully, and like I mentioned earlier, build the use gradually on your skin. All in all, if you are looking for a gentle chemical peel, you can definitely go for this one, and trust me, you will not be disappointed by it. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. Also, follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are given in the description below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.